Guys, it's Elliot Ebenezer again from Semani Enterprise Tutors, and I hope you've been following our tutorials. If you have, then thank you for keeping up, but if you haven't and this is your first tutorial class, well, thank you for joining us. Okay, our last tutorial class, we developed an application that displayed a range of numbers, and then that application was able to get us the mean and the range, and then displayed the count of the numbers. That's how many numbers were actually printed on the screen. Well, today we're going to be taking a dash away from all that, and then we're going to be talking again about classes. And then today I bring you the StringBuilder class. Okay, so that is a string like class. But then why the StringBuilder class? Now the problem is when you initialize a string like this, strings are the issue is strings are immutable. Okay, they can't be destroyed. Whenever you declare a string like this and then you say okay, when you do this, the problem is this string, these two statements create two strings. Even if you feel that you change the value of this, no, this created another string in a memory location. Now these two strings become, or these two strings become two memory locations. Okay, so that's the problem. So they came up with a solution to the problem, and that solution is called a StringBuilder class. Okay, now a StringBuilder class is mutable. Create it, you can change what is inside it. You can you know, the way this would create two strings in a memory location, while this would always be one, would always create one string in the memory location, no matter how many times you initialize it to a new value. Okay, so I will be walking you guys through some very important methods in the StringBuilder class, so just follow along. Alright, so I'll just clean this. Okay, now there are two ways of which you can initialize a StringBuilder class. First, you can do StringBuilder. This is the name of the class, this is the name of your variable, is equals to new StringBuilder like this. Then you can say StringBuilder is equals to I am a boy, just like this. Okay, so this is one way. Alright, sorry, this is one way you can do it. Dot append. Now this is one class I'm teaching you already. You can append a string. Okay, I am a boy. Now this is one way of which you can create a string builder. You can append a string to it. Okay, StringBuilder.append. What this does is whatever was inside this appends it. It's just like appending it to the last index of what existed before. Okay, now the first way of which you can create a StringBuilder class, I'll just rub this off, is by initializing it right here. Okay, so StringBuilder is equal to new StringBuilder. Then you put in the value of your StringBuilder here. So if I just write a print statement right here, okay, and I just display StringBuilder. Okay, so let's see what that gives us. Alright, I'm a girl. Now then you can do StringBuilder.append. Okay, are you sure? Alright, of which yes, I'm not a girl, so I have to confirm if I really am. Alright, so see what happened. So this appended this are you sure to the end of the string, this StringBuilder. So this was the first thing we had, I am a girl. Then the append method appends a string. Now this is one of the most used method of the StringBuilder class, to append. To append means to join two strings together, the same way which when you use a string, a normal string, and then you would do this. Okay, the same way you do this is string 1, and then you can append it like this and say this is string 2. Now the same way you can do this, okay, is the same way this works. So this appends, so this being the first string, and then it appends the two of them, and then the string builder contains what, the two strings. Okay, so that's one. And then another method that we're going to be looking at today is the capacity method. Okay, so when I say capacity, that means how large in memory size is the string builder. Okay, now what you need to know is the 16 plus the number of characters you have. Okay, 16 plus the number of characters contained in the string builder. So if I do this, then I can say the capacity of the string builder is, then I can append and say string builder dot capacity. Okay, so remember I told you that would be 16 plus, okay, so this is 27. So if we count 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Okay, so and in capacity, it actually, in string builders, in the capacity actually counts, you know, spaces, white spaces. Okay, so that gives us the capacity. And then another method we can look at is the charAt. Okay, now how this method works is you provide an index number, and then it gives you the character at that particular index number. And string builder starts from, the index starts from 0. So this I is index 0, this space is index 1, this A is in index 2, then this M is in index 3. So if I say system.out.println, the 12th character is, then I'll append this to string builder dot character at 0. So I give it, so this should give me I. So if I run this, okay, you get it. Oh, the 12th character, okay, I beg your pardon, that should be 11. Okay, now that's a space. Let's count it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is the 11th one. Okay, 11. But then if I change this to 12, it should give us A. So I would run this. So this should change to the 13th character. Okay, so if I run this, run out. Alright, so there you go. So you can use the charAt, okay, to get a particular character at a particular index. Now you might not really know the essence of all this, but we're going to develop another application that is going to use all these methods, and then you can actually understand the essence of all this. You can use the charAt to determine if somebody entered his name correctly, starting the first letter with an uppercase. Okay, so you can use this to check if a particular character is uppercase, if a particular character is lowercase. You can also use this to modify a string builder. You can change the value in a particular index. Okay, so another method we're going to be looking at today is the delete. Okay, the delete method. Okay, so we can say system. Okay, so, and don't you forget that I'm going to have this in my GitHub repository, and then you can always go there to get it if you want, and then you can always put it in your IDE and then tweak as you like. Okay, so let me display string builder. So this will be string builder.delete. Okay, now this takes in two variables, the start variable and then the end variable. Okay, so let's say start deleting from 0 to 5. All right, so run as. Now as you can see, this is the display here. Now how does this work? This starts to delete from the 0 index to the index of 5 minus 1. Okay, so that deletes from 0 to 4. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so what is being displayed is a girl, are you sure? So if I want to delete from the 0 index to the 8th index, this would be 0 to 9, because it actually deletes from the 0 index to 9 minus 1 index. So if I run this again, so let's calculate 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it will start from RL, then are you sure? Okay, so I hope you're following. Now the last method we're going to be looking at is the delete art, the delete character art. Okay, so what this does is it deletes what is in, it deletes the character in a particular index. Okay, so if I say StringBuilder dot delete, okay, so if I put in index 5, okay, so let's run that and see what it gives us. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this character at this index was actually deleted. All right, so if I want to delete the character at index 10, all right, so all I'll just do is just run as, and then we'll see what happened. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this was actually what deleted. Okay, so guys, this is where we're going to end the first tutorial class. I will be doing the last tutorial class, which is going to be a second video concerning the important methods in a StringBuilder class. But do not forget that at the end of this tutorial class, we're going to be developing 2 applications. Now these 2 applications are going to help us understand better the character class, how to use the method. So this is just an introductory class to the method of the StringBuilder class. Now the importance is the StringBuilder class is way more useful than the string class. Now the difference is you use the string class when you just want to, you don't want to carry out any, or you don't want to perform any operations on the string. Probably the string accepted, you just want to use it direct. But if you want to tweak a little, you want to add to that string, you want to modify a string, the best class you can use is the StringBuilder class. Okay, so guys, keep watching and keep keep doing your hands-on, and I know you'll become a great Java programmer if you keep following. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and God bless you.